Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today we will explore 4 AI marketing tools that can elevate our business and career to the next level. You can even use these AI tools to start as a freelancer or launch your own digital marketing business. So let's jump into the video. First AI tool is for keyword research. For this task, we will use free AI keyword research tool from Ryan Robinson's website. You can find all the links in the video description. To research or focus on keywords, simply type your niche or base keywords and click the Go button. This AI tool will provide keyword suggestions with search volume and difficulty. You can also generate title ideas using their AI title generator. By clicking the bulb icon, selecting the ideas template and clicking Generate Ideas. The AI tool will present you with several title suggestions. Okay, moving on to the second AI tool. The second AI tool is for copywriting. For copywriting, WriteSonic is one of the best AI copywriting tools in the market. With the free edition, you can use up to 10,000 words. This AI tool can help us create SEO-friendly and engaging articles, ads, general writing, e-commerce content, social media content, websites, and offers many more features. In this video, we will explore 2 features from WriteSonic AI. Let's begin with their AI product description generator to generate a SEO-friendly description for your product. Here, enter your product or service name. Now here, input your product characteristics. Select the tone of the voice and enter your target keyword. Here you can choose the language and quality type. And now click Generate to start creating your SEO-friendly product description. The AI tool will provide you with multiple options. Select the best one and copy your description. Now let's try their AI tool for Facebook ads. Enter your product or service name. Here you can input the product details, select the occasion if applicable, and add promotions if needed. Choose the language and quality type. Now click Generate to create your Facebook ad content. The AI tool will offer several options. Select the best one and copy your ad text. Moving on to the third AI tool, this tool is for increasing conversions to boost your sales or conversion rates. You can use Be Human AI. This AI tool revolutionizes the connection between business and customer by generating unique and personalized videos for each customer. Let's start by watching their personalized video.
Hi Pramodya, and welcome to Be Human. My name is Don, the founder here, and I'm so excited to watch you get up and running.
Now let's create our own personalized video. After registering with Be Human AI, you will receive 15 free video credits. From the dashboard, click Community Template to generate a new video using their pre-made templates. Select a template that suits your needs and play it before proceeding. Now here, click Create New Campaign to begin generating your video. Enter your campaign name, select Industry and Use Case and click Create Campaign. To continue in this example, we will use CSV format to set the mapping column header and click Generate Video to start. The AI tool will generate videos for each customer in your CSV file. You can download the videos, GIF, images, or use the online Vimeo version created by the AI tool automatically.
Hi Neem, how are you? I hope all is well. I am reaching out on behalf of our team who came across your LinkedIn profile recently. I was asked to send you a quick message and get in touch, so I thought what better way to introduce myself than with a video. We have some ideas we'd like to share with you, so I wanted to see when you have availabilities for a call. Just let me know. Looking at my calendar, next week looks pretty good, so would you be free then? Okay, I'll keep an eye out for your email and talk to you soon.
Now you can send these videos to your customers by attaching them or embedding the Vimeo link. You can also directly share them using MailChimp integration. Moving on to the AI tool number 4, this AI tool is for advertising to create high conversions, read ads. Let's try this creative AI.
As a business owner, do you feel creating eye-catching ad creatives always means working with expensive agencies? Or as an advertiser, do you struggle to impress your clients with outstanding creatives that sell? Well, meet Ad Creative AI, the most powerful AI platform to generate stunning creatives super fast. We built Ad Creative AI to generate high-performing creatives and texts that give you more bang for your buck. Here is how to generate your first creatives. The first step is to create your brand by uploading your logo, selecting your brand colors, and describing your brand for RAI to get the context. Now that your brand's been created, it's time to put together your first creative project. Step 1. Select creative size and describe your project. Step 2. Write the text on your creative or use the Text AI button for AI recommendations. Step 3. Upload your background or select an image. Alternatively, you can use our free and premium image library with over 35 million free images. Now all you have to do is click that Generate button and watch over 100 ad creatives magically appear on your screen. Besides being extremely easy to use, Ad Creative AI is packed with many other amazing features. After the visuals, your messaging is the second most important thing in an ad. Use our Text Projects feature to generate ad texts that resonate with your target audience. But perhaps the most powerful utilization of RAI is to analyze your best performing ad creatives. Just connect your ad accounts on our platform and get all the insights on your winning ads. Also, did you know that you could upload your own creatives to Ad Creative AI and even score them with RAI to understand which one will perform better? How about that for a value ad? And talking about value add, 2 is always better than 1. With our platform, you can collaborate with your team by inviting them. Let teamwork make the dream work. And if all of this was not enough, and you think you want an even more personalized platform, you can get a white label solution with your branding and your style. Before we go, we would feel incomplete if we didn't mention Batman. For those who like to work late at night, Ad Creative AI Dark Mode is also one click away. Supercharge your creative game with Ad Creative AI.
So if you're in this marketing field or digital business field, I hope this video helped you. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribing. Let's meet with another video. Have a great week.